whose hands are sweeping past the minutes of its face, and the world is like an apple spinning silently in space, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind, like a tunnel that you follow to a tunnel of its own, down a hollow to a cavern where the sun has never shone, like a door that keeps revolving in a half-forgotten dream, like the ripples from a pebble someone tosses in a stream, like a clock whose hands are sweeping past the minutes of its face, and the world is like an apple whirling silently in space, like the circles that you find in the windmills of your mind.
Sa iyong anyo sa salamin, mayroon silang tatandaan. Mag-isip ka at alamin kung naligaw ka ng daan, bago tuluyang mawala ninag mo sa salamin. Matitiyak mo ba kaya ang iyong mukha ay napansin, dahil sa buting nagawa na taimtim at totoo? Minsan may di ka sumama sa salamin ng buhay mo.
Keys that jingle in your pocket, words that jangle in your head. Why did summer go so quickly? Was it something that you said? Lovers walk along the shore, leave their footprints in the sand. Was the sound of distant drumming just the fingers of your hand? Pictures hanging in a hallway, or a fragment of a sun? Half remembered names and faces, but to who do they belong? When he knew that it was over, he was suddenly aware that the autumn leaves were turning to the color of his hair.
Bago tuluyang mawala ninag mo sa salamin, matitiyak mo ba kaya ang iyong mukha ay napansin, dahil sa buting nagawa na taimtim at totoo? Minsan may di ka sumama sa salamin ng buhay mo. Wala kang taong nabangga
as the circles that you find in the words of your
Angelina, ano ka ba? Tama na. Napapagod na si Yaya.
Yaya, actually, this is the first rehearsal studio that I'm going to play in because there are 3.
What do you mean? Ay, sandali nga! Angelina, bakit ba tayo naglalaro dito sa bagong building ng GMA? Pagagalitan tayo dito.
No, Yaya, because this is my new virtual
Ay,
playground.
ano ba vertical yan? Hindi ko alam yan. Tsaka baka magalit yung may-ari.
No, they won't get mad because the owners of this building are my ninongs. And my ninong Henry told me that the A in GMA is Angelina. Yaya, come and get me. Come and get me.
Angelina!
Such a loser, Yaya. Such a loser. Such a loser.
Huwag ka sumigaw-sigaw. Baka mag-eko-eko yung boses mo.
Yaya, that's what nga I'm trying to test, no? Because my ninong said that this is a state-of-the-art studio. Diba? Walang echo-echo.
What you mean? What you mean?
That means it's like a room within a room.
Room within a room. Naku, parang kanta. Chair. It's not a chair.
Oh, Yaya, it's like we're in a box within a bigger box.
Aba, bago talaga yan. Ang alam ko lang yung mga lower box tsaka upper box. Naku, meron na palang ganyan. Ay, talaga.
Ever, Yaya. Shh! You can't hear anything. Yaya, this studio is talagang super high-tech. It's got zero noise vibration. Kaya, you won't even hear the aircon. And you won't even hear my footsteps as I make takas from you.
Oo nga. Di ko talaga narinig yung aircon. At saka okay mag... Angelina! Saan naman nagpunta yung batang yun? Angelina! Ano na naman ginagawa natin dito?
Yaya, I'm just here playing with the lights. See? It's called ETC, or Electronic Theater Control.
Theater? Ba't pa ang dami-dami mong nalalaman tungkol sa mga ganyan?
Whatever, Yaya, you're really such a loser. You know, these super high-tech lights came from the same company that gave the impressive glow of the Grand Palazzo Las Vegas.
Ha! Palazzo. Palazzo. Hoy! Angelina! Saan ka nagpunta? Hoy! Angelina! Angelina, baby! Nagtatago ka na naman. Tatanong ko lang saan yung palazzo! Ano ba yun? Palazzo! Ay! Ano ka mo? Ano yung sinabi mo?
Ay, nako, I'm sure you don't know that also, that it's one of the most luxurious hotel and resorts in Las Vegas.
Saan sa Las Piñas?
Ay, nako, Yaya. This is what you call the IFF Lighting Hoist System.
Uy, naku, bitawan mo nga yan. Ba't nagtataas-taas up and down itong mga ilaw na ito, ha?
See, and they're all fully motorized and you can control them via remote control.
Ay!
See?
Ikaw talagang bata ka. Ba't ba ang dami-dami mong nalalaman, ha?
Alam mo ba, Yaya, na merong lighting system dito tulad ng light na ginamit sa opening ceremony sa Beijing Olympics. Ito ay ang Fine Arts Professional Lighting System.
Alam mo, napanood ko yung Beijing Olympics na yan, ha? Yan yung merong bata na lumilipad. Pero hindi naman pala lumilipad kasi meron siyang tali, hindi ba?
Yaya! Just like you.
Oy! Ano nangyayari sa akin? Oy! Ipabawa ka dito! Ay!
Wow, Yaya! You can fly!
Ay! Tumigil ka ba talaga? Napaka-spoiled mo talaga! Oy!
Yaya, I'm here na in the other studio. Come and get me!
Bata ka! Baka hinahanap na tayo ng mami at daddy mo! Atin lang sila ng inauguration nitong building na ito! Tapos muntik mo pa ako ipahamak! Sakit-sakit na singit ko!
Well, that's if
Hoy!
you can
Hoy!
catch me,
Sandali
Yaya.
ka! Hoy! Angelina! Tama na! Huwag ka itong pahabol sa akin! Pero ang laki-laki na estudyong ito! Mapapagod ako sa iyo!
That's why nga eh. Because at present, it's really the biggest studio of GMA. And my Ninong Jimmy said that I can invite 1,000 guests for my next birthday if I want to. So, if you want, you make me habol.
Naku, tama na, Angelina, tama na. Ay,